Hello, Bitcoin fans, investors, and traders. This is Current Wave, cwcount.com. Just wanted to give my viewers current update, and this will be the last update that we'll be releasing through YouTube. We started posting and updating since middle of July with the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. As we've stated in the past, from the 13,000 level that the Bitcoin hit in June of this year, that was the first intermediate wave getting finished of the fifth primary, and we were looking to finish the second wave of the second intermediate wave of fifth primary. But we stated to our viewers that there's a clear double zigzag pattern that was unfolding, and this was the posting on the early part of August, where um, Bitcoin was hovering in the 10,000 to 11,000 region, and we stated that A, B, C had to be traced down, and the level, and we picked those points as a proportional move. If you look at the Fibonacci relationships with A and B and C relative to the prior zigzags, then you could try to kind of muster the target areas where A and a B and a C could land. But we expected this action here, and what we got is that we hit A around 95.22, and this B we thought that would be hitting at the level in the 10,900 to maybe 11,000 area, not more, based on the common relationship for wave B, calculating from the wave A standpoint. This ended up being a big triangle. As you can see, the progression, we put an A here and we put a B there, but B ended up being this elongated, this sideways action, and ultimately became a triangle. And from the triangle, as you know, the triangle in Elliott wave theory precedes the final move. So we went from 1, 2, 3, 4, and it was pretty easy from here. And as you know, our target that we presented from August, 7,245, should be the area where Bitcoin should be landing. And Bitcoin ended up landing in the area of 73.41, which is the just a few days ago, and we had this explosive move to the upside. So if you look at what we presented to the viewers way back, 72.45, we missed the target price by 100 points. And once again, this is just purely based on the pattern, and as we stated, all the time, and we always put this, statement here. Markets trade in repetitive cycles of investors' emotions caused by outside influences. The up and down swings are caused by the collective psychology. Never changes. It is repetitive patterns that you trade off of. If the patterns weren't repetitive, we would have never forecasted, this kind of move. Granted, this B ended up in a huge triangle. I mean, there's no way to forecast how the B pattern will evolve, whether it's going to be a flat or zigzag or triangle, but it ended up being just this elongated sideways triangle action, as you see here. Huge triangle, A, B, C, D, E, which precedes the final move, 1, 2, 3, 4, and our landing area, if you look at the Fibonacci level, 618, 72.45, and we gave the viewers 0.78645473 as the next level, because you never know where the landing spot's going to be. But when you have 1, 2, 3, 4 already presented here, clear 1, 2, 3, 4 legs, it's pretty apparent that it's not going to get too deep to 54.73. So we knew that landing spot is going to be within the 7,000 level, but we got close. 72.45 was the target, 73.41. So missed it by roughly 100 points. So it's this is just again, pure Elliott wave. We weren't influenced by any of these outside factors as far as like garbage news is concerned. If you look at this headline here, this is all the headlines that we saw in month of September and August. Bitcoin to hit 90,000 after halving, says state-backed German bank. Bitcoin price now in early phase of next bull cycle. Bitcoin price prime for liftoff above 11,000. Why Bitcoin price may soon recover to 10,000. Bitcoin prime for price breakout. Again, these are all September headlines. In September and August. If you look at September and August, if you go back to the charts here, these September and August. So you're looking at the prices here around 11,000 to maybe like 9,700, 10,000. So if you listen to these headlines and bought, you'd have lost your shirt. So stay off these headlines, stick with the wave counts, and I think what was really telling on the turn is this RSI. Bitcoin daily RSI was a huge giveaway where you had the price action of Bitcoin falling apart and you had the momentum RSI rising, which is a clear bullish divergence. So if you followed us for a good 4 or 5 months, we didn't get every wave right. Obviously, we didn't get that B wave to be a triangle. We thought maybe that could be a simple zigzag and coming down, but it was just a long event, which was exhausting and time consuming. But eventually, we got everything right. We got the pattern right. We knew that double zigzag was forming, and just based on how W and X was formed, that creating the path for wave Y was a pretty easy task. So if you're pretty impressed with our research and our analysis on the Elliott wave theory, please join us. We just opened up our subscriber channel through our website, ctheaccount.com. We just added crypto service covering Bitcoin and Ethereum. We cover 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly chart. We got price targets with the primary wave 5th. We got price targets for the current intermediate wave 3. We'd love to have you come on board. It's going to be very insightful. It's going to really assist you. It's going to really help you out in your endeavors, whether you're a trader, investor, to get to that area that we are seeking. And I think we could be at a forefront of a huge opportunity. So this is current wave, ctheaccount.com. For the last time, we have updated here today on Bitcoin on October 30th. And please join us at ctheaccount.com. I'll just go through the subscription channel, and this will be under Gold Plan, which is a crypto service plan, and subscribe, and you'll get instantaneous updated results of the charts for the 4 hour, daily, weekly count, updated 2-3 times a day. So we'd love to have you, and hopefully that we see you there. Again, thank you.